Assalamualaikum and good morning to the respected judges, teachers and my fellow friends. My name is Nur Fatih binti Muhammad Noor from SABK Ma'had Al-Imam An-Nawawi and my school code is PFT 2003. Today, I would like to present a meaningful book entitled The Mountain Is You by Brianna Weiss. Have you ever felt like life a constant struggle? As if you are climbing a mountain but never reaching to the top. What if I told you that the mountain is not outside of you, but within you? This is the powerful idea presented in this book. In this book, the mountain represents our internal struggle, our fear, doubt, negative habits, and past experience. Sometimes we do not fail because we are incapable, but because we sabotage ourselves without realizing it. For example, we fear failure, so we stop trying. We fear change, so we stay in our comfort zone. We think negatively, so we limit our own potential. This behavior is known as self-sabotage, and it is often our greatest obstacle. According to the book, self-sabotage does not happen randomly. It comes from our past experience, emotional wound, and limiting belief. Sometimes our mind tries to protect us from pain, but in doing so, it also prevents us from growing. For instance, past failure made us afraid to try again. Negative belief like I'm not good enough stop us from improving. In reality, these patterns are not our enemies. They are signals that we need to heal and understand ourselves better. This book also provides solutions to overcome these inner struggles. Firstly, we must become aware of ourselves. We need to honestly recognize our fear and weakness. Secondly, we must learn to manage our emotions. Our emotions are not barriers, but grids. Thirdly, we should focus on small, consistent change, also known as microshift. Great transformation does not happen overnight. It begins with small steps. Finally, we must let go of the past. We cannot move forward if we are still holding on to old pain. One of the most powerful messages in this book is that the goal of life is not just happiness, but inner peace and self-mastery. When we learn to control our thoughts and emotions, we become stronger, wiser, and more resilient. In the end, we do not conquer the mountain, we conquer ourselves. From the from this book, I have learned that failure does not in the end. Fear is not barrier, and change begins within ourselves. It taught me to stop blaming circumstances and start improving myself. As I conclude, I would like to ask all of you, what is the mountain is your life, and are you ready to climb it?